All right, flight number 3, and just as I was walking up here and as I was getting ready for this, the wind had actually almost completely died down, and I was prepared to maybe try doing a flip or two on this flight. Not really, you know, maybe not try and do you know, a prolonged inverted hover, because I want to kind of ease my way into it. But just as I put the heli down, as you can probably hear on the video, the wind picked right back up. So I don't think we're gonna do that unless I feel that the wind dies down again. And if I do, I apologize in advance, because I will probably take the bird up maybe a little higher than normal. I know it's already difficult sometimes seeing this this heli because it's so small, but again, I got to give myself a fighting chance to save something in case something goes wrong, if I do indeed try and you know, do a flip. But even though I have a lot of confidence controlling it in a very basic tail end hover like this in this wind, I really don't know that I'm confident enough, you know, to be doing a flip on the off chance that you know, a wind gust or I even lose control a little bit. Just the response time required to save it just may not be there. And you know, on a note with that, this is where I really feel that, you know, there is a significant difference than when you're in sim. I find that in addition to obviously just being calmer in sim, because nothing's really on the line. If you crash, you just press reset. Not only that, but even though the physics are good, and it's very good at being able to teach you the correct stick movements, and even how the you know, how the heli responds is good. I find the biggest difference is just how quickly it responds. And I know you can make some adjustments in the sim, I'm sure, but I just, that part of it, in my opinion, really doesn't mimic real life at all. I gotta lie, as I'm flying the helicopter out here, I'm kind of thinking about trying to go inverted, but just as I do, that wind picks up. So apologies for the boring flight, but I just don't want to have any regret, but you know, go home with any regret, because I ended up trying something, you know, I ended up trying too much too soon, knowing that there was something in the back of my head nagging at me, you know, to not do anything crazy, just kind of be happy with the bird flying again. Ooh. Yeah, so you can see even this I'm responding as well as I can. You know, that wind is still an issue for sure. Oh, wind has died down. Oh, we did a flip. Still almost lost it. I don't know if you saw that because it almost came above me.
20 seconds.
But there it is. That's all I'm gonna do. let's not get oh.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,